Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a little stationery unboxing as I recently bought some stickers a couple days or weeks ago. So I've been holding off on showing you guys because I actually bought a bunch of other stickers from other stores and I was going to wait to get them all collectively and open them all together, but I just couldn't wait and I just had to show you guys. And I also forgot to do my April bullet journal spread, so I thought that with the stickers that I bought in this, maybe I can use it to make my little bullet journal. Alright, so let's get started. So this is from paper sutekka, and when you open it up, you first see a little thank you note, and on the back there's all of their information. I love the little doodles around here. I think it's so cute. So I'm just gonna open it up on the side. Alright, so here's everything I got. The first thing that I see are some freebies because I definitely did not order these. First one is a rainbow and it says everything will be okay. It's so cute. And the second one is like a spring collection sticker set. Definitely going to be using this for my bullet journal. I think this is perfect for April. Alright, so moving on to the stuff that I got. Also, I thought that I would note that the sticker sets are definitely a lot smaller than the paper that it comes with. So keep in mind for those who want to know the sizing of their stickers. So the first one I got was a strawberry milk, a peach, another strawberry, and banana milk. Those are all for the stickers. And finally I got a car freshener. I thought that this would be super cute in my car, and it's supposed to smell like peaches. I'm not going to open it now, I'm just going to wait until I can actually put it in my car. But that's basically everything I got. I didn't get too many things. I was mainly more into getting all of these stickers in the store than like the pins and all the other things that they sell. I thought that these were super cute. So let's use these and make our bullet journal spread. Oh, and for those who are curious about March, I definitely did not use my budget tracker like pretty much at all. The right side is completely blank. I just neglected using my bullet journal for the month of March, and especially for April, considering I'm doing this very late. I think I just got kind of lazy doing my my bullet journal spreads, just because now that we're all home, there's not really much to write in my bullet journal. So here are the other spreads that you guys haven't seen in the video. And I also made a cleaning video, so I'll link that down below as well. I didn't do all of this, but I definitely got somewhere. So now we're going to start with April. It's currently April 14th on a Tuesday, so we'll see how far we can get.